dairy-free brownies. And we're going to be using a box mix because I'm lazy like that. So first we need a bowl. A bowl, not that bowl.
Oh, wait.
The other bowl.
The other one. Okay.
This bowl, the normal looking bowl with nothing in it. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
And a whisk. Okay. So first we need a gluten-free brownie mix from Aldi's because it's cheap there. Get your thumb out of the camera. What are you doing? Okay, so we need half a cup of butter melted. So Connor, take that bowl of butter.
I know.
And put it in the microwave for 20 seconds.
Okay. So first, 20 seconds.
Okay. I guess we'll just throw things in here. Can you hand me the eggs?
You didn't ask for
2 eggs. 2 large eggs.
to be exact.
An egg. Another egg.
Oh, it's done.
Egg number 1. Pardon?
It hasn't been recording. Continue recording.
We have half a cup of butter melted. We put that in here. We have 2 eggs. We put that in here. I don't know when she stopped recording, but we're going to whisk this now. I asked you to pass me the 2 tablespoons of water and didn't even put that in here, so we're going to do that now.
And
so now
you
it's all
melt the
liquids.
butter for 20 seconds, then 10 in the microwave.
Very good. Yes, thank you.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Total, yeah.
I can do math.
Okay, so now you should have a yellow looking weird goop. So now we take the box mix.
It looks like a
Where is
really
it from
weird
again,
egg.
just in case that's when we stop recording?
Aldi's.
Delicious.
The
Gluten-free brownie mix, yum.
yay. Yeah, so we're
And dairy-free, yay.
So we're gonna take the box mix. These brownies, gluten-free, yum.
You want scissors before you explode it everywhere.
Yeah, Connor, go grab scissors.
Yeah.
Aye!
Ay, carajo. Thank goodness for aprons.
Okay, that is not how you carry scissors. Are you planning to stab me? What's going on here?
Good advice.
I guess we're including a little more information in our videos than I thought.
We should have had a script.
It's okay.
350 degrees preheat, just in case that's where we left off. I don't know when she stopped recording.
We're new to YouTube.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. Your first YouTube video should probably be a mash.
Okay. So we have all that done. So now you whisk
All of it together, the yellow goop and the gluten-free brownie mix. And if you
Moistened.
look, it starts
Oh,
to
make sure you combine the butter, the eggs, and the water together before you put in the brownie mix, because that's what the directions say.
Would you like me to come over and watch you whisk?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, and
Alright.
it kind of looks like a big dark chocolatey.
Coming in,
Liquid.
watching the whisk. Oh, that's not what I expected.
Well, it has to, that's the brownie mix. You have to mix it all in. No, stop. What are you doing? Too much. Too much. Look at this dude.
Get out of that. Here we go.
Yeah.
Your father wanted a picture. This looks beautifully and it smells.
It smells so good.
So
oh my gosh. It smells like
I'll bleep
chocolate.
that out
Yeah.
because I'm the editor.
Looks like fudge.
So how would you feel?
I don't know if it's done though. Is it done? Do you feel like it needs more whisking?
I think just whisking just to make sure you don't feel any crunchy parts, because if you feel any crunchy parts, that means you need to whisk it all. Because that means that some of the mix hasn't been whisked in, and you need to combine it all.
Okay.
So that looks good to me. That should be about the consistency. It's a bit liquidy, but I put too much butter, so it's my fault. Let's see. Now, Connor, can you go grab the olive oil? The olive oil? The olive oil?
Yes, sir.
Go. Oh my goodness. This child.
Where's the olive oil? Is it right here? Yes, it's olive.
If it says olive oil, what do you think it is?
Oh, okay.
They're both olive oil. No, go back. Get the other one. Other one. Other one.
The spray?
Yes.
Do you want the spray or the
Yes.
actual olive oil?
I want the spray.
Well, then you need to say spray.
The olive oil spray. Get
There you go.
Olive oil spray. So,
Specifically Pam's olive oil.
yeah, it's a good brand.
Yeah. Except if you're allergic to olive oil.
Well, yeah, then don't do that. It's got no
Fair
coconut,
use.
which is good. 'Cause
It's
I'm
fine.
allergic. Hold it far away, but not too far away.
And don't spray it in your eyes.
That's good advice, Connor.
Yeah, okay, that's advice for all stupid people out there. Definitely don't spray it in your eyes. Because that's not common sense. Oh, look at me, I'm just gonna spray this olive oil in my eyes. That's not fun.
I'm not going to edit that out. I don't know about you.
No.
Good
I'm
advice.
the editor. I'm the editor. Mom, it's me.
That's
I'm the
true.
editor.
Don't edit that out. It's good advice.
I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put duck life.
Oh my goodness, look at that pour. That's just so satisfying.
So
Satisfying.
satisfying, not satisfying.
I mean, it could be a word. You never know. Satisfying.
Satisfying.
Connor, could you go get me the weird paddle instrument? What's it called?
Spatula?
Rubber spatula.
I know.
Wrong drawer. Baking drawer.
Okay. I know what you're talking about. It's
Are you sure
right-
about that?
Wait. Where'd it go?
Oh my gosh.
Wait. It's right here. Oh, I found it. Talking about this thingy. And by that she means this thingy.
Yeah. Because if you don't know what a rubber spatula is, well, now you do.
Yay! And if you don't know how to bake this, then now you do. Because we're showing you.
You want to just like scoop it around the bowl, make sure you get all of it. You can't see that. I don't know why I tried to show it to the camera. That would have caused me to like twist my wrist all the way around. What are you doing? You crazy, crazy child.
It's amazing.
I know.
How long is that going to cook for?
It's going to cook for, I don't know. Let me check the box. Look how much there is too. That's
That's a lot. And oh, there's one right there.
yeah, I know. That's gonna be good. Remember, do not lick it. Do not taste it. I don't care how enticing it looks or smells. If you get it, you will get salmonella because salmonella is from eggs and it's an illness, foodborne illness.
Like not raw and like boiled eggs, but like raw eggs.
Yeah.
Raw eggs.
How long do you need to cook it? Because we're going to pause the video while it's
I
cooking.
know.
And then I'll cut it. And then I'll cut it short in the editing.
For an 8x8 pan, 29 to 32 minutes. For a 9x9 pan, 27 to 31 minutes.
And that's metal, right?
Yeah. And by 11x7 pans, 24 to 7 minutes.
We're using glass, so we're going to
Jamie,
modify
why
it
do you
all.
keep looking like so serious? You're like 20 to
Shush.
7 minutes.
And
Don't tell me. Shush.
for 2 mini loaf pans, because, brownie loaf, oh my gosh, sounds amazing. We should have done that. Okay, 22 to 24 minutes. This is for a metal pan, but we don't have one, so we're using glass.
So how long do you think we're going to try for? That's 8x8.
Now let's just hope the glass
Let's see,
doesn't
it's
explode.
8x8. Okay, so we're gonna do 29.
And then we'll see where we're at.
Yeah. Comes out of the oven. It might be undercooked because it's gluten free and it's in a glass pan, so it might take longer to cook.
They're true and wise words.
And the bell's about to ring, so it's got like 30 seconds left.
Oh my gosh, it scared me.
All right, out of the way, scoop. Hot oven. Okay, ready? Oh, that smells so good. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Okay, are you ready? It looks a little weird around the edges. I don't know what's going on here, but we're going to take this knife. If you don't have a toothpick on hand, I recommend using a knife, and it comes off, and it definitely needs like 5 more minutes. Oh my goodness. Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Okay, so we're gonna throw that back in.
Kermit the Frog here. Today we are going to be doing baking.
Alright, so back to the baking. That was just a fun little transition thing. What are you doing? Stop. It's done. We're over. This is non-scripted.
No, it's
clearly. It shouldn't be though. This. Oh, okay. Time to pull it out and check it again. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Okay, it's all one color now. That is very good news. Actually, no. The outsides are still a different color. Never mind. All right. Test number 2. It's clean. All right. So now, Connor, move. Hot pan. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wait a little while to take it out of the pan because it's too hot.
Please put the hot pad under the pan that you've just placed on the table. Thank you so much. Lift it up.
The what?
Lift it up.
The what?
Thank you. Lift it up. Put the hot pad under the... Oh, you put it on a thing. Oh, okay, now go ahead and put it down.
Oh my gosh.
See, that's mom having a heart attack because it's unscripted, not realizing daughter took care of everything. Daughter smile.
Don't doubt me.
There you go.
Jeez.
Okay, now go ahead.
Okay, so
Brother's
we're going to
editing.
wait like, I don't know, like 10 minutes, and then we're going to see if it's still like hot. Actually, you know what? We're not going to wait 10 minutes. We're going to wait like, I don't know, like, let me see. Yeah, like 20 minutes. So, yeah, see you then.
Record some more. Oh my goodness, yumminess.
So good.
Gluten-free needs to cook longer.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we learned, but also...
So I'll say like 35 minutes. Put it in for 35 minutes, then check it. If it's not good, 5 more minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But the edge is amazing.
It's so good.
Mm.
Nothing better than brownies with a nice glass of milk.
Did you use milk or did you use almond milk? Because I have to use almond milk. Connor, are you using almond milk or regular milk?
I didn't think about that. Sorry.
Oy vey.
Sorry. Look, I know you're going dairy free, but you're not like allergic or anything, so it's not that bad. Right? He's not lactose intolerant, is he? Uh-oh. Sorry. We hope you enjoy this video, and make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and click on the bell for notifications of future videos. And
I'm the one who can't eat gluten, and I am so happy right now. Y'all don't even know.
yeah, her reaction was very good. And thank you for watching this video so much, and yeah, have a good night. Bye.
This is our first video.
I'm going to go eat some more brownies. Night all.